Bro, I'm so scared right now. Going to a sponsored spooky event on Friday, and you're going, and you're not backing out of it. And I don't know what I'm doing with the camera.
Is it scary?
It is not scary.
Are you lying when you said to go?
Yes,
I'm not going.
you have to go. It's the requirement.
I'm not going.
You have to go.
Bring Amanda.
No,
Nobody will know
you
the
can't just
difference.
fucking bring your twin. She doesn't have a twin, guys.
Nobody will know the difference. Oh my god, that cat almost got. What is that, a bunny?
It is
fuck
a.
is that? That's a
It's a
cat.
cat. Oh my god, a kitty just almost got hit by a car.
It did. It almost got hit by a car. And I think these people are trying to catch it.
Oh, it's a puppy.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Puppy, puppy.
What is my life? Why does this keep happening to us? Oh my god. Why does this keep happening to us? What the fuck? Alright guys, here it is. Emma, this is a setup.
This is the worst angle I've ever seen.
What's going on, guys? My wife is just cooking me in front of my friends. Nothing to see here. We're on our way to the Spook Fest. We are going to this haunt. I don't know what it is this year. Every year they do something different. This year it's I don't know what it is this year. Last year it was a mine shaft. It's a haunted mine shaft that we're going to. Mine shaft. Like shaft is in like a pipe.
Okay.
Allie.
No, like
a pipe.
Pipe,
Emma.
like a
you know,
dick.
like you know, pipes.
Penis.
Oh. Because you put it in your mouth.
Yes, thank you. That's what
Okay.
Jad knows, bro. Twitch.tv/Jad24.
Don't advertise me like that.
We're going to this haunted mill. Okay, it's called Haunted Sawmill at Lansdowne or something like that.
Do you
We're
have
going
to
there.
drive now? Like, can you just finish this and then?
No,
Sir!
no. It's a parking lot
Put the
safe.
car in park.
Okay, but we're moving. You ready?
No.
Are you ready?
I'm definitely ready. I'm fucking definitely ready. Yes!
Let's go, baby.
I don't think it's gonna be.
I think it's gonna be chill.
Bro, we're here, and Emma ain't about it right now.
Kiwi, are we just going in?
Yeah, we're going. This is it. We're making our way through right now. Yeah, I'll go first, and you guys they'll follow. This is gonna be good though. I'm excited. We're pumped. This is our first Halloween thing this year, so I'm very, very excited. You guys know, big on Halloween, big on spooks. Emma is a big.
I don't.
She said fuck off. She ain't about this right now.
Hear that scream?
Oh man, this is gonna be fun. I feel like they expected a lot more people to show up here, but we'll see.
Oh, yes!
Oh my god.
So my name is Henry, and this is my job. My job is to send you guys downstairs, okay? And somebody downstairs, I don't know if you can hear the scream.
Unfortunately,
yeah. So one of y'all is going to get Ed. He looks pretty tasty, actually.
Oh yeah, I agree.
Yeah, he does. Yeah. So y'all get in here now.
Oh,
I'm
no.
gonna send you down on the escalator, sorry, the elevator. I'm not the brightest bulb in the tree. And would you just hold on to these things because we lost someone around 6:30 tonight. Oh, one on the floor. You gotta get in though.
If we reach the maximum occupancy, I'll meet you guys.
No, we don't have a license. We never got this inspected. That costs money.
I feel like that's important to have. Okay, all right.
Say one touch of me.
In the world, you know what I mean?
Bro, there's like 3 people just shaking it outside. Okay, all right. Why do I keep getting slapped?
What? You're getting slapped?
One more thing before you guys get out, and it's too bad you didn't wear enough cologne, guys. Before you guys get out, last one out. It's the first want to get the job. Okay?
Oh, no. You're good, man. You're good. Bro, you're behind me.
Watch out for the sides.
Yeah, don't go to the sides, baby. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, what's up, baby? How you doing? You good?
Someone's coming out of there.
Go, 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 go.
You good? That's Cheryl.
Cheryl, hey Cheryl.
We don't talk to Cheryl.
Are you single?
Bro, I'm so scared right now.
No, point the camera the other way. Don't worry, we'll carry you around.
There's somebody over there. Oh my god. Oh, are you okay? Oh my god. Yo, fuck him up! Fuck him up! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Is that real?
Oh my god! Stop for Allah!
No, it's not real.
Oh my god.
Bro, I'm not by myself. Somebody come with me.
Allie!
Emma, where are you? Oh, there's some brother. Miss Haram, there's someone sleeping. Alright. Okay. Oh my god. I'm done. Oh my god. Alright. Bro, just I won't let that go. Just chill. Just chill. Just sit. Just vibe. Vibe. Have a drink. Have a drink. Have a drink. Chill. Oh my god. No! Holy shit! We're good, we're good. Okay, okay, we're good. Oh my god. Oh no. This is the escape room portion.
What?
This is the escape room. No, it's actually an escape room. This is an escape room now.
It's opening.
Go close the door on us.
You go! No! What the fuck?
I don't like this.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's over.
We lost Allie.
Well, you definitely. Sorry. Oh my god. Go! Go! Alright, we got it. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was amazing.
Guys, the amount of screaming that I had to listen to my voice. La 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 la. Me 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 me. But my voice is so sore. Emma had to make me. Oh, actually, Emma made me a cup of tea, which she did so just so gracefully out of the kindness of her own heart. But that helped so much with my voice because when I woke up this morning, it hurt so much. And look, I'm starting a little. Made myself a weekly list of to-do stuff. She really is great. You know what they say? Behind every great man is Goku. And behind Goku is that man's wife. Well, you know what? I take that back. That's kind of weird.
I'm not behind anybody, bitch.
Yeah, she ain't behind anybody, bitch. All right, guys. That's the end of today's video. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys really enjoyed. That was a lot of fun. I'm going to try to get more of that stuff going on for the rest of the month. I'll see if I can get another couple places to let us film and stuff there because that was really, really fun. Did you enjoy it?
I did. I had a lot of fun.
I thought you were going to hate me after that.
No, I actually had fun. I had fun.
Good.
And now we have 3 turkey dinners to eat in the next 3 days.
We have Amanda's, your dad's, and your mom's. When's your mom's? Monday?
Yes.
I didn't realize that was happening. I was only expecting 2.
She
Well-
also would like a sweet potato pie. So I have to make 2 sweet potato pies.
Happy Thanksgiving! And then, well, that's for my Canadian folks. My American folks, you guys still gotta wait for yours. I'll eat turkey on your day too, though. Don't worry. Like, comment, subscribe, says Maxo.